No. No.
Good morning, guys. It's day 3 of farm sitting. Today, we will hopefully film everything, right, Mika?
Nothing.
What? Not nothing yet. But we still have a couple vlogs before this. We got dressed, and now we have to do the farm chores. And Mika, you're both wearing black. All black. Black shirt. Black leggings.
Except I'm putting on gray socks.
I'm gonna be putting on white socks.
Oh, similar.
Twinsy. Ew, I hate that word.
I do too.
Look how gloomy it is today. Look at all these clouds. It's most likely gonna rain. It's sprinkling a little. But it looks darker in real life than in this camera. It's time to go do the chores. We're most likely going to keep the goats in because it's gonna pour again today. So it's time to do the chores. Mika's coming out that door. Hi, Tilly. Zoe, where are you? Zoe. Zoe. Oh, there you are, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Maya. Hi. Hi. Hi, Mama. Hey, Mama. Oh, you eat my hand, do you? Do you? Do you? The chickens. We're keeping the goats in today because it is a cold, wet, rainy day, so they're gonna stay in. Yeah, stay warm. Right? If you guys are wondering why Tilly's tied up, it's because Tilly beats little Zoe up. If you can see Zoe, but she beats her up a lot, so we have to tie her up so she doesn't beat Zoe up. So we haven't found I always say Tiger because our cat is named Tiger. Tigger. We have not found Tigger yet. She did not want to go in last night, and Kirsten said if she doesn't want to come in to the barn, then she's fine. But we have not seen her at all this morning, so I hope she's okay. Okay, so I just finished my workout, and Mika made some lunch, so we're gonna have some lunch now. Having quesadillas. Look what Mika made. She's already gobbling hers down. Right, Mika? Mama. Alright, so we just finished the chores and you're not in focus. 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 Okay, your eyeballs are focused, but now it's not focused. We just did the farm chores. Oh my god, it's not focused. Come on, focus. Oh my goodness.
Focus on me. Focus.
Stop moving.
Did it focus yet?
No. Okay, anyway, so I was trying to edit a video for a couple hours and it didn't work.
Is it focused yet?
Nope.
Focus on me.
And that was a pain. And then we video chatted a friend. And then we did the chores. And I cleaned some eggs. See if you can see that. It's so blurry. Now I'm checking my Minecraft. Right. Still not focused. Still not focused.
Wait, I have a way to make it focus.
Don't look at my crotch. Is it focused? Wait. Oh, and the cat's still gone. She didn't come in last night. She's a barn cat. We were supposed to put her in the barn. And she did not pop up. She kept on hiding on us. And we have not seen her all day today.
No.
I'm hoping nothing ate her. That'd be really, really bad.
Oh, my nose.
God loves to challenge us while we're here. First time, the house burnt down. Not this house, not this house. The house is back.
Behind our house.
A neighbor's house burnt down. And the water stopped, and the electric stopped, and the Wi-Fi stopped.
And it flooded.
The basement! Yeah, the basement was flooded. And now this time...
Oh, and last time, what was last time's challenge?
Last time's challenge...
Also
the cat did not want to come in, but we got her.
Yeah.
And what else happened?
Bears.
Oh yeah, bears. And now, the cat's not even showing up. So...
She's right there.
Challenge every time. That's really annoying.
Hopefully this time we beat the challenge.
Like the other challenges we beat.
Instead of getting the cat dead. Hopefully
I
no.
hope the cat's not dead.
Then you'll be dead. Now let's see. Focus. Okay, stay still.
Is it focusing?
I got it to focus. Wait, it's almost... I just tapped on the screen.
Is it focusing on me?
Focus on her. Focus. Focus on her. Focus.
Remember they're
Happy
focusing on you.
birthday!
Is it focused? It's a little better. We're most likely just gonna relax.
Eat
What's
some
your-
ice cream. No
Oh,
supper.
I'm not hungry.
We had quesadillas.
for lunch, and
I wasn't even hungry.
and you had cereal for breakfast, and I had an apple for breakfast. Then we had quesadilla,
Green.
like spinach one, and I'm now full. I'm still full from that. So most likely just gonna have ice cream later and watch TV.
Maybe a chick
Go
flick.
to this.
Is that what you wanted? What is this? Or? So attractive.
That's what I was gonna say. Okay, so I'm gonna end the video now. We just found Tigger. It's pouring out there. She's in the shed hiding, and I got soaked while I was out there. Just brought in. She's safe. Thank goodness. She's giving us
Sound effects.
toilet.
It was sound effects. I did not have to
We
go
were
to the
worried.
bathroom. About Tigger?
Yeah, now she's safe. I don't
We're
want
not
to
letting
let
her
her out of the barn again.
I'm not. No.
But right now we're just gonna end the video. Probably she's gonna go to bed. I'm gonna have a nice hot bath, and then I'm going to bed.
I'm making myself another kiss.
She's making herself another quesadilla. I'm not hungry. All right. Good night. See you tomorrow.
I need help.
I have to show her how to use. Oh, she knows how to use the gas stove. Those are cool.
I know. I want one when I'm older.
All right. See
Look
you
how beautiful that is. It's just so
dangerous though.
I know.
All right. See ya tomorrow.
See you.
Bye.